What's up guys, we got some car parts in the mail, so I'm not gonna waste any more time. Let's get straight into this video. So I've been kind of hesitant to start modding the Corvette just because everything about the Corvette is super expensive. So I ended up buying my first mod for this car, which are these eagle eye taillights, and we're gonna get straight into this unboxing. I always thought these looked really good on the Corvettes, and there was a sale for Black Friday, so I really couldn't help myself. All right, I'm done wasting time. Let's get into this unboxing. All right, this is kind of an awkward angle. It's really hard to film in my room because it's very small, but we're gonna work with what we got here. All right, so I got these from this place called Vette lights. They obviously make, you know, Corvette lights. So they got all kinds of stuff. I was recommended to them by a friend, so we're gonna see what we got here. Ooh, let's go. Ooh. Whoa. These are gonna look super sick, boys. These are supposed to be like a plug and play, super easy to install. Because I know nothing about wiring. I am terrible at wiring, so perfect for me. Hopefully even I can do it. When I did some halos on my Mustang a long time ago. I wired them incorrectly, so I didn't have brights. So hopefully we don't have a similar issue. Wow. These are gonna look so cool. I'm really excited. All right, so this is everything unboxed here. These are really cool. I don't know what this is, some kind of like module for, it looks like we're gonna have to mount this on the inside somewhere. But we do have directions here. They gave me a bunch of cool stuff. Got some stickers, cards, if I can open this. Directions on how to install these. It looks like it's extremely easy. I've heard you know, anybody can do it. We got the price here. Yeah, let's look at the price real quick. So I paid, the price is not on here. All right, so here we go. These are the 2005 to 2013, the C6 model Eagle Eye LED taillights. I paid $224 for these. I don't know if you can see this, it's extremely light, but the original price was $279, and it was 20% off for Black Friday, so that's how we got the $224. All right, boys, before we get these lights installed, I need to wash the car because it is extremely dirty. So when I moved into this house that I'm currently in right now, I thought I was gonna be able to wash my car at my own house. But take a look at this. So this is my water spigot, right? You know, where I get water to wash my car. And, you know, that's how it was when I moved in. So, you know, can't exactly wash my own car anymore. There she is, boys. I was thinking about getting like a flag, like a Corvette flag that like hangs down like above the car. What do you guys think? Let me know. All right, just a testament to how dirty this car is. It's kind of dim in here, so I don't know if you can see this, but look at these wheels. That's how much of a brake dust machine this thing is. Like, look at my finger. It's gross. It also looks like we're gonna need to make a stop at the Air store because my tires are way too low. We've gotten extremely lucky here in Michigan. It's like December like 19th, 18th, something like that right now, and we have no snow. So I've just been driving this car as much as I possibly can because I know one of these days I'm gonna wake up and it's gonna be a winter wonderland out here and I'm not gonna be able to drive the Corvette. And for all of my Michigan peeps, like, you know how rare that is to not have snow like right now. So PSA, drive your car while you can. So a little life update for you guys. I haven't really given you like an update on like what's going on in my personal life or anything. A couple months back, I said something in a video that I got laid off from my job. Well, about a month ago, I got a new job. So I work at UPS now. I actually have two jobs at UPS right now, but one of them is only seasonal. So I work in like the facility in the morning. I go to work at like 3 o'clock in the morning, and then I deliver packages at night. So yeah, that's Cayleb's life. Let's go, boys. So while the car wash works its magic, take a look at these things I got made. They're little like business cards with my YouTube channel on them, so that if I'm like at a car show or something and I'm filming a little bit of someone's car, I can give this to them and be like, hey, like, your car's gonna be on my channel, you know, check it out. All right, now it's time to wipe it down. All right, now that we're all cleaned up, it's time to go to the Air store. Lucky for us, there's one right across the street. As long as we don't scrape. Owning a Corvette in Michigan is tough because everything about the roads sucks. So that thing actually does not work. It's out of order. So we are just gonna swing to Discount Tire instead. The boys at Discount hooking it up with some absolutely free air, which is a steal considering the price of air these days. But look at that G8. Kind of hard to see here. Let's see if we can move up. The looks like this is one of the Discount boys G8. That thing is pretty darn clean. This is a better view probably. He's got that front splitter. I like those rims a lot too. Looks like it's lowered. I've actually never seen a G8 in that color. Those things look really nice. Now that we got all that stuff out of the way, let's get into installing these taillights. Alrighty, so here we are. We're getting going on the install here. This looks pretty simple. All we got to do, we don't even have to go inside. I thought we were gonna have to go from behind, but we literally just pull these boys out and replace them. Like, this has got to be the easiest install I've ever heard of. But so taking a look here, these right here actually have taillight covers on them. These are the stock ones. I did not put these tint covers on here. The previous owner did, but I'm probably gonna transfer these to here. However, one thing I don't like is that these are put on by just like two-sided tape, and like as you can see, there's like dirt and crap in here, like, and you see the tape right here, like that's kind of ugly. I gotta figure something out there, but we're probably gonna end up transferring those over. Mechanic montage in 3, 2, 1. So here is a side-by-side comparison here to what these look like. These are the stock ones, just a, you know, flat, basic, plain. And then here's what the aftermarket ones look like. And then this is what I was talking about with that tape. I took these covers off, so like, yeah, you can just like see that from the outside. So gonna have to figure out how to put these on, but yeah, moving along extremely easily. I shouldn't speak too soon. No, everyone knows you never say a job is moving good until it's done. Things are looking good. One thing I noticed is that, so there is a left and right on these aftermarket headlights, or I'm sorry, taillights. I didn't see anything about that in the directions here, but they only fit in one side. So like, this is the right one, and this will only fit on the right side. So that's a good thing, but the stock ones back in here for comparison. These are the stock ones, these are aftermarket, and man, I'll tell you, these ones look so much cooler even when they're not on. Like, these lights are so intricate and look so much better than the stock ones. So another cool thing here is that this is normally where the taillight would plug into. The actual light bulb would go right here, and there's no light bulb. It just plugs into the light itself, which probably is because, you know, these are LEDs and it gives it that effect, but super cool. That, guys, what the heck? These look so much better. Honestly, I don't even know if I want to put the covers on. Hold on, let's take a look here. Like, these lights look so good. I don't even know if I want to cover them up. Like, these taillights look so good. I don't want to cover that up. Let me know in the comments below. Should I put these covers back on or not? I don't know. I'm kind of thinking no, but who knows? Alrighty, the moment of truth. Are you guys ready? Whoa! Guys, these are so sick. No way. Hold on, let's go looking back here. Dude. That's cool. Whoa. Dude, that changes the entire back end of the car. Holy cow. That is so cool. Boys, take a look at that. That is so cool. This was definitely a good first mod for the Vette. All right, that was definitely $200 well spent. I'm happy. It feels really good to have done the first like modification to the Corvette, but now I know I have that bug. Now I just want something else. I'm thinking next mod, I feel like we have to do something exhaust, but like I really don't know. I mean, like the problem with this car is that like you touch this car and it costs $1,000. I'm still trying to buy that second car for the channel, but yeah, I don't know. That's kind of one of the reasons why I really wanted to get a second car for the channel, so that I can build it and modify it and it doesn't cost, you know, $1,000 every video. So like I don't really know, but I'm thinking exhaust next video, hopefully. I don't know, let me know down below. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. I really appreciate it. Hit like if you liked this video, comment down below and I'll hit each and every one of you back if you got any questions about the car or something like that. Smash subscribe if you want to stick around and follow the build. There's gonna be a lot of exciting stuff coming to the channel and I hope to see you guys there. So without